Hello guys, today I am going to create a system for report generation. You can say create invoice generation also. First of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. These are my main files. Connect, index and PDF. I will explain other files later. These are my 3 files. In the index file I am going to get my SQL database table. First I have created an input box here with a form. This is my table. This is my database. Table name. Database name. Let's connect our database with web application. Username, database name, server. Now we can include that file and type our other code for get table import to our application. My SQL query for get all the values from the table. Now run the query. I get all the rows with while loop. Output all the columns with column name. Save and check the code. It gets all the table data from my SQL server. Let's create a button. Method is post an action in PDF file. Now we can add TCPDF libraries. Go to the TCPDF website. All the information here and we can find out all the information about the libraries. Open the examples page. There are a lot of templates here. I am going to create my report with tables. You can select any template and change the code. Copy the code. I paste it on PDF. PHP file. Open the GitHub page. Download the zip file. This is my downloaded file. Open the extracted file. Now I am going to link this TCPDF on PDF PHP file. This is the report or invoice name that we are going to generate. Remove this file link, otherwise it provides template tables. We need to output our tables. Remove it. Remove these rows. Add this code to get data from the table. MySQL query for get all the rows from the table. Using these values we can change columns width. We can give different width to each columns. Here we can get each columns. I change column widths. It's working, but there is an error. Let's fix it. Open TCPDF PDF file. Find and remove this code. Save and check the code. It's working. But I forgot to add column names. These are column names. We can change it. All are okay. Now we can download, print out and refresh the file. Now let's see how change these names. Open config file. Here you can see topics on the page. You can do any changes here. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.